racing events around Australia. And we have a crew as well. We're here in the headquarters of Mark Cars Australia at the moment. With Aeson Power sodium-ion battery, we were very excited and very honoured to be the first race team in the world to test out the battery in a real racing condition. So that was very exciting for us, and definitely compared to lead acid or lithium, we feel a lot more comfortable with the safety of the vehicle. We know we're not going to have a fire risk or any of the problems that we've experienced with lithium in the past. It's cranking a lot during a 3-day race period, and we found absolutely no problem with the Aeson at all. It performed exceptionally well. Weight is definitely very important, because the lighter we can get the car, the faster the car is going to go on the track. So it's very, very important. And we have noticed straight away that the new Aeson sodium-ion battery is at least 50% lighter than the AGM we were using previously in our race car. The main battery, in this case the Aeson one, is at the rear of the vehicle, just near the exit of the exhaust pipe and also near the gearbox. So there's a lot of heat during the race, up to 75, 80 degrees inside that area, and we had no problem with the heat affecting the battery at all. I think our goal now is to make sure that all the other race car teams realise how fantastic the Aeson battery is. It's better for the environment, it doesn't get as hot, and it performs fantastically over a longer period. So we really want to start introducing this into all motor racing teams.